you want to set up a long-term connection, you'll need to set up what's called a private connection. Same again, click Add Connection. This time choose Private Connection and click Continue. And here you'll get a list of steps that you need to follow in order. So let's start with step 1. In this screen, just select Private and give the application a name. I've got a handy little thing that you can copy here and paste. And then what I like to do is just add on a suffix of the organization I'm connecting to. Then choose your organization from the drop down list. Here we'll go with the demo company. And the next thing you need to do is set up a secure certificate. Now if you don't have one already, it's pretty easy to do. Just click create new, give it a name. Acme Corp certificate, and we will give it a password. Now it's important to give it a password because this is what keeps the private key safe, and if you ever want to export the certificate so that you can give it to a colleague and they can connect to your organizations, you'll need to type in this password in order to do the export. So it's worth writing this down somewhere. So once we click create, it'll be added to our certificate store, and we'll see it on here. We should see Acme Corp certificate. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to give the public key to Xero, and here it's just telling me it's copied the public key into the clipboard. And so let's jump back to Xero and we just paste that on there and click save. And the last step here is we need to get this consumer key long string here. Just copy it and put it in the key and click connect. Now we've got a permanent connection to the demo company. As you can see, it works like normal, and we can even close down Excel. And we'll not save that, and we'll open it back up again. As you can see, demo company is still there, still able to report on it. Now you can set up as many organizations here as you want and connect them concurrently. Just click add connection. You can do it public or private. Here we'll go for private again, and we'll do the same steps as before, but we don't need to create a new certificate for every organization. We can reuse the same certificate. So let's go with step 1. Choose private, copy the name. This time we'll connect to our test organization. Choose our existing Acme Corp certificate. Get the public key again, copies it into the clipboard, and paste that in there, and click save. And get the consumer key, and we're done. Just click connect. Now the test organization is available as well, and we can test that by choosing it, and we'll refresh this same report. This time we'll get the data from the test organization, and we're done.